in winter. In this way, you won't get cold when it's cold outdoors. At the same time, you can take one piece of clothing off when you get hot to be comfortable. You won't get too hot or too cold. The bonfire faded away. My friend went to get some firewood, and I'm sitting in a tent all alone, covered in snow and freezing. Don't turn your winter vacation into the Frozen audition. My friend comes back with firewood and finds a snowman inside of the tent instead of her friend. It's time to warm it up. Wrap the snowman into a blanket. A little better. It can turn into a human again. Take the icy hat off and put on a hood. It'll keep you warm when it's cold. And if you're up to a ski outing, use a gaiter to protect your neck, nose, and ears. Take a piece of soft fabric and fold it in half. Hot glue the ends to make a tube. Turn it right side out. Firstly, put it on as a hat. It will also work. Then, pull it over your head, up to your nose. A ninja-style vacation? Not bad. Take out your hair and put on your hat. It is almost impossible to catch the flu with the gaiter. Take your skis and go ahead. Enjoy winter sports. Oops! I should have made a protecting mask for my whole body, and not only for my head. To tell the truth, the reason why I have fallen into a snowbank is not that I'm a bad skier. It's because the sun is blinding my eyes. In order to look like a pro on ski slopes, don't forget to take your sunglasses on your winter trip. They'll protect you from snow blindness. And even if you fall, no one will recognize you in that ski ninja outfit. To verify your identity and not to lose your phone, tickets, and other documents, keep them in a small belt bag. As a result, all your necessities will always be within easy reach, even on a ski slope. The only problem, you may reach it faster than a mobile network. My phone is ringing. I've been dreaming. Oh gosh, I'm on vacation. Get some earplugs if you don't want any unnecessary sounds to annoy you during your sleep. Just put them into your ears and enjoy your cat nap. Right up to the moment when my active friend runs to me. What does this ski ninja want? My friend gets upset because I don't pick up when she calls. Sorry, I've been sleeping with the plugs in my ears. Even if Johnny Depp phoned me, I wouldn't hear, so don't worry. I like riding a bicycle very much, but it's a bad idea to go for a cycle ride in the winter. You can easily find yourself in a snowbank before you know it. What should I do? I'm calling my friend for a piece of advice. She knows one life hack. Use cable ties in order to get your bicycle tires prepared for winter. Attach a cable tie to the tire and tie it up. Cut off the excess. Glazed frost is just a piece of cake to me with this bicycle. I can easily ride along snow-covered trails. The most pleasant part after a trip is taking a stroll down memory lane of the wonderful vacation. Oh, unfortunately it has come to an end so quickly, but my friend knows how to make my vacation joy last longer. She's made a travel book for me. Take a spiral notebook. Prepare appropriate scrapbook cutouts. To age the pictures, scratch the edges with a blade. Glue the cutouts to the notebook cover. Fold the corners inside. Decorate the cover with a handmade sticker so that everyone knows it's a DIY. Write travel on a thick piece of cardboard. Cut out the letters. Paint each letter in a different color. Embellish some of them with glitter. Hot glue the letters to the notebook cover. Attach an envelope for postcards and photos to the inside of the notebook. Write the year when you began your diary on the first page. Decorate it. Put some memorable things from your trips into the diary. You can gather all your photos, postcards, tickets, maps, and travel notes in this notebook. Be sure you won't forget anything with it. If you have a hankering to relive your vacation, just look through the pages of your diary. It's all about enjoying your trip. Write in your comments how you get ready for winter vacation. Which of our life hacks have come in handy? Don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell not to miss something interesting.